Hello, Assalamualaikum, good morning. My name is Muhammad Yusuf bin Nayan. Number matrix CD 160166, and I will present about the my individual assignment is for the subject computer programming. For the first my introduction, this for the completing the requirement of computer programming subject. We will given a task to make a computer programming to solve the problem related to finite element. The purpose of making this task is to determine knowledge of the student about the computer programming. Okay, the objective for this assignment is the first is to understand the program, and create a C program to solve the problem. And second, to find out the output of the program. And third, to calculate the temperature have been calculated by using the computer program and able to maximize the usage of the software. Hello, this is my methodology, and these are my figure for my question. Okay, this is my question. My question is given is thermal conductive K1 is 200, K2 is 100, K3 is 50, and the area is 0.1, and temperature at first is 100 degrees Celsius, and T4 is 300 degrees Celsius, and the last is given heat is Q equal to 400. Okay, after the see the question want to find the A, prepare the finite element table for the system. B, assemble the conductance matrix and the thermal load vector of each element. C, construct the global steady state heat transfer matrix equation after the temperature constant applied. D, you have to use penalty method to implement the constraint into the equation. Please indicate the reason for choosing those constraints. And E, explain how to determine the temperature distribution for part C. For the first start is a given at equation value of A, K, T, L, and Q. Then we must know the value of V and W. Formula for V and W is this, and we can use this formula to find the value of V and W. Okay, before to the program, we must know the flow chart for this equation. Okay, and then we want to find the value of K. K is a value of K. We will use the formula, and then we want to find the value of F, and this formula of F. After that, we want to find the value of F2 prime F3 prime, and this formula F2 prime F3 prime. Okay, this for the find the ABC is a formula ABC. ABC value of V1 and V2 is given before this, and is for find the ABC using 2 inverse to find the temperature. And then this inverse to find the temperature 2 and temperature 3 is a formula to find the temperature 2 and temperature 3 is a final, and the last is to the end. Okay, is a program for this question. First is a plot is all or none at the equation is a print A, print K1, print K2, K3, T1, T4, L1, L2, L3, and Q is a given all as a equation. Okay, the next to find the value of f, we must using the formula is K1 times A over L1 is must print f V1 equal percent f and V1 is equal the same V2 and V3. These are W1, so we must using the formula is same before this, and using we must know the W1, W2, then W3. The next is find the value of K1. K1 is a formula for in the matrix percent F times V1 negative percent F times V1, and then negative percent F times V1 percent F times V1 is equal same the formula using K2 and add K3. The next to find the F1 is equal percent F times W1 and F2 equal to percent F times W2 and F3 percent F times W3. Okay, the next is a matrix to find the in matrix. Okay, the last is inverse is a formula for inverse. A V1 plus V2, B is a V2C negative V2, and D is V2 plus V3. And then the print F of the inverse is percent F, and plot inverse is inverse, and print F a matrix number. Okay, the last is to find the temperature. Temperature 2 is a formula, and temperature in this formula. And then the last is bring the value print F the value of T2 and T3. Okay, this uh the result for the programming is the output from the equation. For this value of T2 is 118.241379, and T3 135.103455. A value is a given from equation. It's a value of V1, V2, V3, W1, W2, W3, and K and F. Total is temperature. Okay, the last for the conclusion. The program created for the student for the problem state is successful since it can be run successfully. The flowchart shown in the methodology will help the student to understand the concept of the program. And other than that, by using computer programming will help students save their time compared by using calculator. Overall, this project is quite challenging because it has its own difficulty for students because not all students is expected to create a program, and this becomes a good challenge for the student to complete the project.